Happy morning, children. Today we will start with 6.4, question number 2. You have to show the data by histogram. This data is given to us and we have to draw the histogram. So the first step will be you have to prepare the table like this. And now if you have to, these are all classes given. You have to check whether they are continuous or not. How you will know whether they are continuous or not? Upper limit should be equal to lower limit. Upper limit should be equal to lower limit. So you can very well see that upper limit of the first class is not equal to the lower limit of the second class. So the classes are not continuous, make them continuous. So what you will do? Reduce 0.5 from 2, you will get 1.5. And increase 0.5, you will get 3.5. Here also 3.5, 5.5, then 5.5, here 7.5. Reduce 0.5, increase 0.5. Then see here, I would like to tell you that when you are reducing 0.5, increasing 0.5, the other method is take the average of upper limit this and lower limit. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 upon 2 is 3.5. So you have got 3.5. Now upper limit should be equal to lower limit. This 3.5 you will write here. Then this also. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 upon 2 is 5.5. Upper limit should be equal to lower limit. Again 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 upon 2 is 7.5. Upper limit should be equal to lower limit, you have written. Then now next one. 10 plus 9, 19. 19 upon 2. That is, you will get 9.5. Upper limit should be equal to lower limit. So this way you can write. And then you can check the difference also. You will say how 1.5 you will get here. See here 9.5, 7.5. 9.5 to 7.5 you have got here differences of 2. Here the differences of 2. Here the differences of 2. Right? So next will be 1.5. Then only the difference will be of 2. Right? So that way you can do it. This way we were teaching earlier, and in your textbook also they have given the easy simple method of reducing 0.5, increasing 0.5. But this is the accurate method of taking average and doing it. Okay. See students, I have drawn x-axis, x dash, y-axis, y dash. Here 0 is marked, crink mark is also shown. On the x-axis, yield per acre in quintals it is shown. And on x-axis, I have marked 1.5 to, these are all classes, 1.5 to 3.5. This is first class, 3.5 to 5.5 second class. This is from 5.5 to 7.5. This is the third class, 7.5 to 9.5 fourth class, 9.5 to 11.5 fifth class. Here if you see from 1.5 to 3.5, this is a square, right? This is 1 centimeter. Now we have to write scale also. So I am explaining you all. From here to here, I have taken, this is 1 square, this is second square, right? So what is going to be 1 centimeter is equal to scale. If I am going to write from here to here, it is 2 centimeter, 1.5 to 3.5. It is getting, we are getting 2 centimeter. So 1 centimeter will be equal to what? It will be equal to 1. See, 2 squares is 2 centimeter, right? So 1 square will be 1. So here the width of each class is 2. And crink mark, I told you all. What is the meaning of crink mark? That we are not showing any observation from 0 up to the first class. There is no observation. And very simple trick of showing the crank mark is what? Here the width is 2, 2, 2, 2, right? And here when we are starting off, are we getting it 2? No. This is the meaning of it. And another thing is that here, to okay, the number here is smaller. But if you are having the classes 160, 170, 180, 190, so it will be very difficult for you. I have explained you earlier. So directly we are writing a bigger number. So what actually here it means, crank means what? The observations are there, but they are hidden. We are not having enough space to write all the observation. So it is shrunk. That is the meaning of it. It is like an elastic. How we are stretching it, it becomes longer, right? So that way it is. So things are there, but they are stored. They are hidden. We are not able to show them. Not enough space is there. So we are shrinking it. That is actually the shortcut meaning of crank. Okay. Now here, so for us the scale will be what? 1 centimeter will be 1 quintal. Okay, because we are taking yield per acre in quintal. So 1 centimeter will be 1. And here on the y-axis we are showing number of farmers. So now number of farmers, if you have to first check what is the highest frequency. See, for number of farmers the highest frequency is 55. So on the y-axis 1 centimeter we can take it as 5 because we have enough space to write. Some of them they may take 1 centimeter is equal to 10 also. No problem. Okay, it is your choice. But I felt enough space is there, so why should take 1 centimeter is equal to 10 farmers. So I took 5, 10, 15, 20. So the difference is of 5. So 1 centimeter is equal to 5. Here also 5 to 10 means 5, 5, 5. That way you have to write scale. Okay. Follow this. Now we have to draw histogram. For drawing histogram, what we have to take? We have to take each class as the base. And height should be proportional to the frequency. So for the frequency is 30. Okay. So we will show here. See, here 1.5 to 3.5 we are taking. 30, this is frequency. Here there is 30. So I am going to see. This is the height. Height should be proportional to the frequency. And here this is our height. And this class is our base. So we have drawn for the first class we have completed. Now for the second 3.5 to 5.5 it is 50. See here 3.5 to 5.5, 50 we have to show. So here there is 50. So I will draw it like this and till 50 means here it will be. This is 50. So for the second class we have completed. Now for the we have here for the third class 5.5 to 7.5, 55. So see here 55 is here. So like this and here 5.5 to 7.5, 55. So I will show it here like this. Next is 7.5 to 9.5, 40. See here, now what I have to do? I have done it till 55. Now 40 answer I want. So my frequency is 40. So I am going to show it like this. See here, 40 like this. And here I will show the height. This is the height. Now the last one is 9.5 to 11.5. It is 20. So 20, where is 20? 20 is here. Okay, so I will show it like this. This way we have completed our figure. Now we can decorate it by coloring it, or you can show like draw some lines, you can put dots, whatever creativity you want you can show. Okay, and scale part I have written here. I explained your scale part already. On x-axis we have taken 1 centimeter as 1 quintal, and on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 5 farmers. This I explained you all, but while writing I could not show because I had taken 1.5 and I could not keep on moving it. Like this you can do the presentation also, you can do, it will look good if you have time. Otherwise just if you draw also histogram, that is okay. But writing scale, okay, there is marks for writing scale. It's a 4-mark question, half mark for writing scale. And how is the method in board exam? If you don't write all this information, number of farmers, yield per acre, half mark, no, they tell don't give one full marks, reduce the marks if you all the information is not written. Like this, like that is the instructions given. So everything should be written. For crink also negative marking should be done. Crink is not written, this is not written, that is not written, like that is done.